Running a business in America means making decisions fast, staying competitive, and maximizing every opportunity. But outdated tools and inefficient processes are holding you back. Whether you're a growing startup in Austin or an established enterprise in New York, you need tools that work as hard as you do. Traditional business software is slow, complicated, and wastes precious time your team could spend driving results. Introducing JPC Toolset 2026, the next-generation platform built specifically for American businesses who refuse to settle for average. Our revolutionary subject column improvements make data organization 300% more intuitive, while our automated plate and weight systems eliminate manual entry completely. Experience lightning-fast reporting that delivers insights in seconds, not hours. Our enhanced accuracy engine ensures your data is always reliable, giving you the confidence to make critical business decisions. From Silicon Valley innovators to Wall Street professionals, JPC Toolset 2026 scales with your ambition. Join thousands of American companies who've already transformed their operations. Reduce processing time by up to 75%, increase accuracy to 99.9%, and give your team the competitive edge they deserve. This isn't just software. It's your pathway to American business success. Ready to see what JPC Toolset 2026 can do for your business? Book your personalized demo today and discover why American companies choose JPC Toolset. Visit jpctoolset.com because your success is our mission.